Welcome to the repair desk. How may I help you?
I just need my phone repaired.
What phone and what's the damage?
It's an iPhone, water damage.
May I ask how it got damaged?
I spilled some soda on it.
Well, the damage looks pretty repairable. I can maybe have it back to you within the next 5 business days. Or I can fix it in half an hour with the condition.
What condition?
The condition that after your phone is fixed, you can't use it for the next 24 hours.
What?
Basically, when I give your phone back to you, it will be completely fixed. But if you unlock it within the next 24 hours, it'll be broken forever and everything on it will be erased.
How is that even possible?
Don't worry about it.
Look, dude, if this is some kind of prank, I'm gonna be pissed.
No prank.
Well, does it cost extra?
No, everything costs the same.
Fuck it. I can go 24 hours. One day is better than 5 anyway, so.
All right, well, we'll have it back out to you in the next 30 minutes.
Cool, thanks.
What do you guys